So it's getting super hot, and literally the only thing that I like about this weather is that you can have as much ice cream as you want without any excuses. So मैंने सोचा let's celebrate that and test out some ice cream hacks which are going viral all over the internet. देखने में तो बहुत interesting लग रहे हैं, but I'm curious to know if they actually work or not. Let's get started. Just when you thought mug cakes couldn't get any easier, this is a 2-ingredient mug cake hack जिसको हम ice cream के साथ बनाएंगे, which is just insane. So you could take any ice cream of your choice. उसके 2 to 3 scoops मैं डालने वाला हूँ in a microwave safe mug, and then we let it melt. I'm using a hazelnut chocolate ice cream because I think these flavors will work very well in a mug cake. Alright, so आइसक्रीम मेल्ट हो चुकी है एंड अब इसके अंदर मैं डालूंगा 2 tablespoons ऑफ मैदा. I am surprised that this is actually looking like a cake batter, but मेरे अभी भी hopes थोड़े से low है, but I shall microwave it now for 2 minutes.
A few moments later.
Guys, this बहुत गर्म है. But this legit looks like a proper mug cake जो कि normally we make with cocoa powder, baking soda, ये वो, and this is actually like the texture looks exactly the same because I've made a lot of mug cakes in my life. अब इस ice cream mug cake को मैं top up करने वाला हूँ with some more ice cream before I dig in. This is legit and this hack actually works. मेरी expectations नहीं थी, but the mug cake texture is like a regular mug cake texture, and I love my ice cream का choice because इसमें hazelnut pieces भी आ रहे हैं. This is definitely going to become my go-to, and मैं actually try करने वाला हूँ to make it in a lot of different flavors. Just look at this texture. I'm going to rate this a 10 on 10. Alright, so my next hack is this viral ice cream roll-up situation जो कि अगर आप इंटरनेट पे exist करते हो, I am definitely sure देखा होगा because literally everybody is trying it. So मैंने order कर दिए हैं fruit roll-up जो कि मुझे 10 rolls मिले हैं for 660 rupees. बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है. So this hack better be worth it. The idea is Yoda has entered the chat.
आज योदा की मतलब बहुत important meetings है. Doggy Union.
Yoda has now left the chat. So basically the concept is that fruit roll up में we'll add जो भी आपकी पसंद का आइसक्रीम फ्लेवर है, and it should instantly become crispy and crunchy. And I don't know इसका normal texture कैसा होता है. I'm assuming it's supposed to be chewy. So I'm gonna find this out. So guys, ये basically imported colorful आम पापड़ है और ये कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत ही it's very चिपचिपा I would like to say. But now the most exciting part, it's time to bring out my favorite slow churn ice cream, and I'm so excited to try this hack because fruit flavored ice creams make me so happy. I am going to scoop out a generous amount and put it onto my fruit leather. Slow churn ice creams are made with premium hand-picked fruits and 100% fresh cream, and which is why I love them so much. Ooh. And up I am going to roll the fruit roll up around the ice cream, and I can feel that it's becoming थोड़ा सा crispy and crunchy from the chip-chipa version of it, and like literally instantly it has set, and in fact ये मेरे nails से it started cracking also. So without wasting any time, I'm going to take a bite. Let's see. Honestly, मैंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि इतना ज़्यादा अमेजिंग होने वाला है. As you bite into the crunchy roll up, and then there's this amazing slow churn ice cream with a burst of mango flavors. This is just unbelievably good. No wonder everybody on the internet was trying it. Thank God मेरे पास अभी 9 और बचे हैं और मैं सबको बना के खाने वाला हूँ. This is definitely a 10 on 10. इस हैक को ट्राई करने के लिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज जेन्युइनली इट जस्ट लुक्स अनरियल एंड माइंड इज अ लिटिल ब्लोन राइट नाउ बिकॉज दे थॉट दैट दे शुड मेक अ बुरीटो विद कॉटन कैंडी एंड इट्स स्टफ्ड विद आइसक्रीम. सो मुझे तो ऑलरेडी पसंद आ रहा है ऑल्सो बिकॉज I mean I get an excuse to try 3 of my favorite slow churn ice cream flavors in one go. So let's make it. This is gonna be fun. So सबसे पहले you need cotton candy. Excuse me. थोड़ा एक्साइटमेंट कम हो गया guys.
2,000 years later.
Okay, finally. And now we just have to make a bed of cotton candy for our ice cream to sit on. Excuse me, thank you. Don't know how I feel about this. Okay, and now it's time to bring out the ice creams. These are made in small batches with artisanal expertise, and fun fact, these take 5 times longer to make because the process involves slow churning of the ice cream. Strawberry first, mango, and finally mulberry. Alright, and now the difficult part, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है इसको exactly कैसे roll up करना है, but I'm just gonna do it. I think it's a true representation of how in shambles my life is. So guys, I am not sure how I feel about this. Like it's literally as big as my face. Let's cut into it and hopefully the ice cream inside is waiting for us. Okay, this is a little stressful. Oh. What a cute dessert. इस बार मुझे probably sugar high होने वाला है, but it's quite interesting the textures. जो cotton candy का texture है, I've obviously never had cotton candy with ice cream before. It's actually not bad. I'm gonna rate this an 8 on 10. Obviously, I'll not make it again, but एक बारी के लिए it's nice actually. Okay, so now this is a viral French toast hack where we'll make French toast with just 2 ingredients. यहाँ पर मेरे पास melted vanilla ice cream है and literally कुछ नहीं करना है, just जो slice of bread है उसको अच्छे से हमें soak करना है in melted ice cream and then cook it onto the pan like you would do with a regular French toast. So let's see how this turns out. This feels so odd to do. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने ब्रेड को फेविकॉल में डिप कर लिया है. दिस गोज ऑन टू आवर ग्रीस्ड पैन. Alright. I don't think this is gonna be too amazing. I mean, it works. Is it amazing? No. I have an eggless French toast recipe which I feel like is much better. थोड़ा extra effort and ingredients है, but this definitely has to be the easiest way to make a French toast. So ease of hack, definitely 10 on 10. Taste wise, I think I'll rate it a 6 on 10. Maybe with another flavor of ice cream, it'll taste even better. अभी थोड़ा सा milk toast vibe आ रहा है. But I think maybe I'm gonna try it with a mango or a strawberry and that might taste even better. But for now, it's a 6 on 10 for me. I had so much fun testing out these ice cream hacks कि मैं अपने दिमाग में already plan कर रहा हूँ to do a part 2. तो उसके लिए अगर कोई specific hacks या recipes है that you'd want me to try, leave them in the comments below. और आज के hacks ज़रूर try करना because I honestly almost loved all of them, the fruit roll-ups वाला being my favorite. If you enjoyed watching the video, make sure you hit the like button and I'll see you guys next week with a brand new episode of Tested by Shivesh.